Guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a quarantine fried chicken full of tons of flavor. You guys are going to enjoy this one and not miss KFC. Okay guys, to make this quarantine fried chicken, I already have my chicken pieces washed, and this is a whole chicken. I'm going to add in salt, and we're going to go in with my favorite seasoning, the Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. So now I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper, and I'm going to add in some paprika. So season it with whatever dry seasonings you like, guys. Some black pepper goes in. Now although the Goya has black pepper, I still like adding a little extra. And now I'm going to go in with some green seasoning, because I mean we are making Trini fried chicken, so we need that green seasoning. And the last ingredient is some Trini lime pepper sauce. This recipe is so delicious in fried chicken. You guys know I always use it. And I'm just going to start mixing all of those ingredients. If you wanted to use your hands to do this, make sure and wear a glove, because that pepper is very spicy. So mix, mix, mix. Okay, so while the chicken is marinating, let's add some oil to our frying pan. And I'm using my Imusa frying pan that they sent me. This is a 12-inch frying pan, really big and nice. And you guys know that Imusa makes some amazing kitchen cookware and utensils, so be sure to check them out. I'll leave their link in the description box, and they're also available on Amazon and all big leading supermarket chains like Target, Walmart, Publix, Sedano's, Bravo, all of them. So definitely check out Imusa for some amazing products. Okay, so let's prepare the dry batter that's going to go on our chicken. So here I have some all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add some paprika. Now you can season this with whatever dry seasoning you have on hand. Feel free to mix it up and add whatever you want. In goes black pepper, some more of the adobo all-purpose seasoning, and cayenne pepper. And give this a mix. Right, once mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and start dredging our chicken and putting it into our oil. So guys, I'm going to start with the chicken breast first. So just take your pieces of chicken, dredge them in that flour. You don't need an egg batter or anything for this, because the chicken is moist and the flour is going to hold to the chicken. So set that piece aside. Let's do another piece. You can dredge a couple at a time and then place it into the oil, so all of them go into the oil at the same time. So guys, for this I have my oil on a medium, which is a 6 on my stove. So now I'm going to put in the pieces of chicken. Make sure your oil is not screaming hot, because if it is, the outside of the chicken is going to brown really quickly, and then the inside of the chicken is going to be raw, and you don't want that. Beautiful. You see how it fits? Perfect. So now we're going to allow this to fry here for about 12 minutes, because the pieces of chicken, they're not that big. So about 12 minutes in total. And we'll check it. If it still needs time, I'll give it some more. But that 12 minutes should be just enough for this to cook. Okay, I'm just going to give this a flip. So guys, the chicken is starting to get a nice color. I just have like about 5 more minutes and then it will be finished. It actually, I would say it's taking about 15 minutes in total to cook. I just wanted to make sure that it's cooked properly, because we don't want raw chicken. So guys, make sure when you're frying your chicken, depending on the size of the pieces, bigger, they're going to take longer, smaller, it's going to take less time. Okay, so this first set is finished. Just going to take it out. So The fried chicken is finished and it looks amazing. What a beautiful color it has on the outside. So once you fry it on a medium heat and not too high, you're going to get a beautiful golden brown fried chicken. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's a very crunchy. Let me bite into one of the legs so you guys can hear. Very crunchy, very tasty, very moist. So if you guys enjoyed, I'm gonna put it back right here because only my family, we're gonna eat that. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, comment, let me know down below what you think. Leave me your comments if you make this recipe. Please remember to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.